Hi guys, you guess what has brought toy sent to us? Oops, I'm so excited. So this is what I got. Yay! So I tell you the name, the Transformer name. So this is Bumblebee. This is Elita, this is Wheeljack, Bumblebee, and then another Bumblebee, and then Megatron. Good! Good! So this is Bumblebee, the biggest one of my collection. And then I really like him because he can do more articulation like this. When I show you, that is very cool. You can do this. Whoa! This hand is for Dr. Meridian. So Dr. Meridian is like this, and this is Elita, so she's for my sister. But it's a little bit hard to make in a trunk. I need my daddy shop. And then I need to show you this too. This is Bumblebee, and then this white color one is Wheeljack. And then I want to show you how they transform to a car. And when you see this black thing, you have to connect to the thing, and you have to hook it. When this is very cool. I like it because it's of his color. And then when you open it, look at this. This is very nice. Look at the light blue, the shiny gray, and then the red is very lighting, like it's his light. Whoa, this is very cool. Bumblebee also very cool. When you see this thing like a button, when you press, he will become a car. One more time.
Wow.
So you do like this. When you... Very cool, huh? Look, it's just one finger. Look. Look. Guys, get your Transformer toys from here. Bye. Okay.